how to sign up or log into Disney Plus. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can sign up or log into Disney Plus account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to go ahead and then basically sign up or log into your Disney Plus account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to disneyplus.com and then just make sure that you set this type of interface. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to disneyplus.com, you'll find a login option on the right hand side of the screen. So you can either click the login option. If you already do have an account, you can enter your email address and username and go ahead and then log into your account respectively. But if you don't have an account, you can also choose to create one. So you can enter the email address over here, and once you enter your email address over here, so let me also go ahead and do that. Once you enter your email address, just click the continue option, and as you click on continue, it will ask you to simply enter your password. If you already have an account with this, or if you don't, you can just go ahead and enter your password here, then click the login option. After you've actually entered your email and username and password, you can enter your date of birth to continue, and after you've done that, you can simply enter your payment details and you'll be able to successfully register your account on Disney Plus. This way you'll be able to basically create a Disney Plus account or sign up or login. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.